Hello everyone, today I will make fish and chip. All the children love to eat fish and chip. So today I will make the fish, the entire fish with chip. We add some turmeric powder. We need to stir the potato chip until it's hot and the color is yellow like this. We dip the fish in the flour like this to make sure the fish will get all the seasoning. Some salads with this, we sweet and some green